Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to the mathematics class. As in the yesterday's class, all of us have understood how to multiply two given numbers. What is a multiplicand? What is a multiplier? And what do we mean by a product? We also studied yesterday that multiplication is nothing but it is repeated addition. So, for today's class, we have to study some properties. Although we have discussed these properties a little bit while doing our recapitulation exercise, but let us do them fresh. So, the first property is that when we multiply any given number by 1, what answer do we get? Yes, we get the number itself. For example, I multiply 25 by 1, I will get 25. If I multiply 700 by 1, I will get 700. In the slide, I have taken the example as 400 multiplied by 1, I will get 400. If I multiply 7500 by 1, I will get 7500. So do remember this property for the fill in the blanks, MCQs and true false. The second property which you have to learn is that whenever we multiply any given number by a 0, the answer so obtained, that is, the product so obtained, is known as 0. Examples taken in the slide are 35 multiplied by 0 is 0 and 7000 multiplied by 0 is 0. Students, you take any number you can think of, say 76, but if you multiply by 0, you always get a 0. The third property, the order of the multiplicand and the multiplier can be changed. The product will remain the same. It means if you multiply 300 by 2, as I taught you in the yesterday's class, you will write 2 zeros and multiply 3 by 2, you will get 600. If I change the order, I change the multiplier 2 and make it the multiplicand, and then I change 300's position as a multiplier. Again, what do I get? 2 zeros I will write in my answer, and I will multiply 2 and 3 together. Again, I will get 6. So, can I say that the order of the multiplier and the multiplicand can be changed? The product remains unchanged. In other words, you can change the position of the two numbers which we are multiplying. If I take an example of a one-digit number, when you read the table of 4, 4 fives is 20. But when you read the table of 5, 5 fours is also 20. So do you observe what is the change over here? The order of the numbers has changed. So these are the very important three properties of multiplication which you people have to remember. This third property will be used in doing the sums of the exercise 4.2. As you know, I told in the live class yesterday, today's work is exercise 4.2 and 4.3. Students, before you start exercise 4.1, there are two more properties. If more than two numbers are to be multiplied, we can group the numbers. Grouping the numbers in different ways also gives us the same answer. You can understand this property by the example as shown. We have three numbers which we want to multiply. What are the numbers? The numbers are 15, 4 and 2. If I group 15 and 4 first, I multiply 15 by 4. You can do it in the rough column, or if you have learned the tables, then you will know the answer that it is 60. And then you multiply the answer of the first two numbers multiplication by the third number. You will get 120. But अगर हम ग्रुपिंग चेंज कर दें हम पहले 4 और 2 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. We multiply 4 and 2 first, we get 8. And then we multiply the answer, the product of the multiplication of 4 and 2 with 15. Again I will get 120. That means I can group the numbers which I have to multiply in such a manner that my multiplication becomes easier. The next property is that when we have to multiply a number, there is one another method. We can distribute the number. We can write the bigger number in the expanded form and then multiply it. The example taken is 625 to be multiplied by 5. I will break in the expanded form the bigger number. I will write it as 600 plus 20 plus 5, and I will multiply it by 5. It means I will multiply each of the numbers in the bracket by 5 and I will add them in the end. So I first multiply 600 by 5, then I multiply 20 by 5, then I multiply 5 by 5. In the first case I get 3000. In the second case, when I multiply 20 by 5, I get 100. And in the third case, I get 5 5s are 25. Now you can arrange them in the rough column in the vertical order and you can add them. We can also add horizontally. I can teach you if you can pick up from here. Otherwise, you can arrange them in the vertical order and do the addition. We add the ones digit first. I have got 5, 0 and 0. So my answer will be 5 at the ones place. Then I add the tens digit, 2, 0 and 0. My answer will be 2. Now in the 25 there is no more place. In the 100 we have 1 at the 100 place and 0 in the 3000 at the 100 place. Answer will be 1. And 1000 place is single, so it will be there in the answer 3. So my answer will be 3125. Now children, you will open your books and we will start doing exercise 4.2. I shall make it very very clear. Question number 1 has to be done in the books, and question number 2 onwards you are supposed to do in the notebooks. Few questions will be done in this slide and the other questions will be discussed in the live class. But before coming to the live class, kindly do your homework in the allotted period of mathematics. Right. So the first question in the exercise 4.2 is find the products. The first part, 782 multiplied by 10. As you know, we will write 10 and multiply 782 by 1. And we will get 7820. 321 into 100. Answer will have 2 zeros. And 321 multiplied by 1 is 321. C part, 325 multiplied by 100. So 2 zeros in the answer. 325 multiplied by 1 is 325. Children, the 3 parts I have left for you to do. Answers I will discuss in the live class. Now open your notebooks, put today's date on the left side, write exercise 4.2 in the middle and write question number 2. As we have just understood the grouping of the numbers to find the product, so here is our question. Write the question, group the numbers and find the product, and write the first part. So here the numbers are 40 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. So what I have done is I have grouped 5 and 2 first, because it will give me 10 and then multiplying 10 by another number will be very easy for me. So 40 multiplied by 10 and the answer will be 400. The B and the C parts are for the homework and the D part is done here for you. With the video you will do the D part and then you will do the C and the B part as the homework. Here I will group 25 and 4. Here I will group 25 and 4. 25 multiplied by 4, you can do it in the rough column, in the rough copy. You will get 100. Then I multiply 68 by 100 and I get 6800 as my answer. I get 6800 as my answer. 2 questions as homework. Let's come to question number 3. Find the product. Remember that the position of the multiplicand and the multiplier can be changed. This question has to be done in the notebooks, children. This question has to be done in the notebooks. So 58 multiplied by 369. As the method says, I will multiply 58 by 9 first. 9 8s are 72. 7 goes to the carry. 9 5s are 45. Add 7. You get 52. 60 से हमने मल्टीप्लाई करना है 58 को. तो 60 का 0 हम सबसे पहले लिख लेंगे वंस की जगह पर और 58 को 6 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 6 8s are 48. 4 in the carry. 6 5s are 30. Add 4, 34. I have written 34. 300. So 2 zeros I have written. And I will multiply 58 by 3. 8 3s are 24. 2 in the carry. 5 3s are 15. Add 2, 17. Put the addition sign and add the 3 statements. 2, 8 and 2, 10, carry 1. 5 and 1, 6, 6 and 4, 10, 10 and 4, 14, carry over 1. 7 and 3, 10 and 1, 11, carry over 1, 1 and 1, 2. So my final answer is 21,402. Now children, you can do this second part either in front of it, horizontally, or below it. Now you see that I change the order. I write 369 on the top and I write 58 as a multiplier. Again I multiply 8 with 369 and I get 2952. Then 50 का 0 हम पहले 0 लिख लेंगे and I will multiply 369 by 5. I will get 1845. When I add, I get 21,402. You should definitely see here, children, that by changing the order of the multiplier and the multiplicand, the product does not changes. The product does not changes. Once you finish this question, you should make one line and write part number B. The question is 78 multiplied by 215. 78 I have written as a multiplicand. 215 as a multiplier. Multiply 78 by 5. 5 8s are 40. 4 carry over. 7 5s are 35. Add 4, 39. 10 का 0 हम सबसे पहले लिख लेंगे वंस की जगह पर. 78 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 78 ही आएगा. 200 से हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है 78, तो 2 ज़ीरोज़ हम पहले लिख लेंगे अपने आंसर में. 2 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 16. 1 गोज़ कैरी. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. Write the plus sign and add. You get 16,770. Now you change the order. 215 you make the multiplicand. 78 you make the multiplier and multiply. You will observe your answer of the product is the same. Children, C and D you will do yourselves. We will discuss the answers in the live class. And for the next 2 questions, you have to see another slide. So meet you in the next video.